Hello children, today let us learn the first lesson of civics, citizenship. In this lesson, we will study about meaning and importance of the citizenship, features of the citizenship, methods of acquiring and losing citizenship. Children, now let us study about what is the meaning of nation. Nation means a large body of people united by common descent, history, culture, or language, inhabiting a particular country or territory. Then, what is citizenship? The system which enables every individual to lead a better life in a nation is called citizenship. A citizen is a responsible member of the nation or country. Now, let us learn about what are the rights will be given by the nation for the citizen. Minimum living standard, education, health, social security and other rights will be given to the citizen. Next one is importance of the citizenship. When you get some rights, you can live with dignity. Dignity means respect. And you can participate in the country's administration and you can lead a better life. Which means as you are citizen of India, you have full chance to take part in the nation's administration. There is no provision to acquire citizenship of more than one nation at a time. You cannot be a citizen for two nations at the same time. You cannot be a citizen of India as well as England. You can be a citizen of only one particular nation. Children, now let us learn about features of the citizenship. An individual means a single person identifies himself as citizen of a particular country through his citizenship. Citizens can enjoy all the rights given by the nation or country. Citizen should discharge his duties fixed by the nation. Another feature of the citizenship is citizenship binds citizen to live in accordance with the law of the land, which means each and every country is having its own rules and regulations or laws. We should follow the rules and regulation of the nation. Citizens get power to hold position from the highest to the least, which means you can hold any position if you are the citizen of that particular nation. For example, you can also become a carpenter, you can also become a teacher, or you can also become a chief minister as well as the prime minister. Foreigners are deprived of political rights, which means only citizens are enjoying the political rights which were given by the nation or the country. These are the features of the citizenship. Now let us study about methods of acquiring citizenship. First one is by birth. Any person who takes birth in any country, he or she acquires the citizenship of that country naturally. For example, if you are born in India, naturally you are the citizen of India. Therefore, birth is an important factor in getting citizenship of a country. As you all know, children, before 1947, we were under the control of British. So, people who are born in India after January 26, 1950 had become the citizen of India because our constitution came into the existence on 1950 January 26th. Next one is by inheritance. In this method, an individual gets the citizenship on the basis of the nationality of her parents. For example, those who are born after January 26, 1950 to Indian families staying outside our country can get the citizenship of India. By registration. Citizenship of any country can be taken by way of submission of prescribed application to the concerned office. So, they have to give the application form to the concerned office to get the citizenship. Each and every nation, simply they will not give the citizenship to the citizens. So they will impose certain conditions for submission of application by an individual. For example, children, those who are residing in India for a minimum of 5 years can get citizenship by way of registration. Next one is by incorporation. This means acquiring the area or territory from other country. Then the citizens of that territory or area are given incorporated citizenship. Children, now let us learn about methods of losing citizenship. There are 3 methods. First one is by renunciation, which means a formal rejection of something. For example, the one who settled in foreign country, England, America or any other country, voluntarily he can renounce the citizenship of India by a declaration through an application form to the registration office. Next one is by termination. If a citizen securing the citizenship of another country, for example, Indian will become the citizen of England or France, he will lose the citizenship, which means his citizenship will be cancelled by the government of India. One person cannot become the citizen of 2 countries at a time. Next one is by deprivation, which means if a citizen of India engaged in unlawful or anti-national activities, then the government will cancel their citizenship. This is called as forceful deprivation. I hope you all understood the methods of losing citizenship. That's all for today, children. Thank you.